Honda Civic 2007 TDCI 2.2 litre. Now on this Honda Civic hatchback, look at that, on the door handle there's a little bit of a give in it. Quite a bit of a give when you pull, so I'm not sure what that is. So I've got time today. What I'm going to do is I am going to be taking the inner door panel off, and then maybe there's like a nut or bolt that's undone. So sometimes, is it worth doing things like this? But you never know. If a bolt falls off and the thing drops, it won't lock again. Who knows? So if I've got the time, why not do it? So apparently, inner door handle, there's a little flap there, in there. Let's try and get to it. You can see that? Put the light on. Just there at the bottom of the screen. You want to use a small screwdriver to try and pop that off. Alright, so it's got a little hatch. So it's a solid plastic. Nice little design. I guess I'm going to have to pull this out to remove it, and it should be fastener or two. Alright, so two Phillips screws. Of course, take them out. The manual says to lower the window first all the way, and it says also to work from the bottom. So using a pry tool, as I undid those two screws at the top, I could just feel the panel almost coming off. It can't be this simple. And the manual says to take the quarter panel off. I just pulled it, it came out, and there's a set of speakers there. It definitely says to work from the bottom left of the door. And so a couple of these, 2 or 3 of these, and I've got to be able to visually see whether, as I pulled there, the white plastic clip just snapped. So that's, unless you've got spare ones, it's not a good idea. So what am I left with? If it was a case of having to replace the glass broken, I would have to get the clips first, new clips, before I took the door off. Alright, so that's what you'll have to do. But also I noticed that the door handle is kind of loose, and I found it when I pulled at it, it kind of fell apart, and you can see it previously where someone had put Aerodite on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this back on, and that was giving me some of the looseness, although it's not all of it. You still see some of the looseness there. But I'll need the extra clips from Honda, those little white plastic clips, because it's basically going to, you're going to have to snap them off to get the door off. And if I did that, I won't be able to put it back on unless I've got extra clips. Alright, so I'm just going to end this video by gluing this door handle. So if you want to get the inner door panel off, get the Honda clips. So looking at the structure of this door handle, as I pull here to unlock it, the maximum point that this pops out is just here. So what I don't want is any kind of extra glue to drip on there, and I won't be able to open the door handle once it dries. So midway mark is the maximum, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th rib is where I'm going to maximally put it going across. I'm not going to put it any further across from there. I could probably get away with the 5th rib, and definitely the outer rim, like if you ever made one of them Airfix models, the outer rim's going to get some, and here, and that's what he lost some of the. I am going to be using Aerodite. UK version. Comes in a mini ready to mix tube as you push on here. Both come out at the correct amount. I might be using another one soon. Another one apart from Aerodite. I've heard this is really good. So in another video I'll be swapping from Aerodite to a different type of epoxy resin. Okay, right. All the central parts have been glued up. Of course, make sure keep it nice and clean, and that should just pop on like so. And of course, give it a good old clean. I've used good old brake cleaner. Seems to work quite well. That's it, all taped up. It's going to cure nicely. Alright, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe.